What's up, folks? Mark Lux here, Deluxe Motorsports. Today I'm bringing you a truck that we just traded yesterday. It's going to be coming up next week. It's a 2003 Ford F-250 7.3 POWERSTROKE. The truck has just over 147,000 original miles. It's currently lifted 6 inches. It's running Fox reservoirs up front and in the rear as well. 37's. Nittos have tons and tons of tread left. I'd say at least 75%. You're seeing the truck as it was just traded, so it's a little dirty currently right now. Truck should shine up really, really nice. No rust issues underneath the truck. Undercarriage is super nice. Just some basic surface discoloration. Nothing that you would worry about or have any issues with here in Virginia. So again, this is a 03 7.3 POWERSTROKE. Last year they made them FX4 package, leathered up, power everything. Again, 6 inches of lift, 37's. So this is just a quick video to let you know what we have coming in. That way, if you're on the hunt for a 7.3, you can be one of the first ones to see it in person. These things tend to not last too long, especially in this type of condition. So once we get it finished up through the shop, it should be a beautiful, beautiful 7.3. Anyway, if you have any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. You can also visit us. Damn, the thing's loud. You can also visit us on the website, www.dlux-motorsports.com. And of course, follow us on Instagram for some other cool videos and stuff that we do. Instagram at DLUX_motorsports. Talk to you then.